Hi home bakers! Today I'm in the kitchen making pink heart thumbprint cookies. These little treats are just like the original thumbprint cookies that we all know and love, but they have a delicate sugar crust and a little ruby red or chocolate heart-shaped filling in the center. Perfect for Valentine's Day, these little cookies are buttery and melt in your mouth. The soft golden vanilla cookie base is filled with a vibrant dollop of fruity jam or rich chocolate in the center. And the pink sugar crust gives you the perfect balance of sweetness and texture. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make heart thumbprint cookies. To start this recipe, we're going to make the cookie dough. In a large bowl, beat together 1 cup of softened butter with a ½ cup of white sugar and a ½ cup of powdered sugar. Make sure to scrape down the bottom and sides of the bowl a few times as you go. This will make sure everything is getting mixed in evenly. Once the mixture is very soft and light, I'm going to beat in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then mix in a ½ teaspoon of salt and 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Mix this until the dough just comes together. Then I'm going to pinch off about 1 to 2 tablespoons worth of dough and roll it into a ball. Then roll each ball into the colored sugar. Traditionally, thumbprint cookies are rolled in a little bit of chopped nuts, which you could swap out for the sugar here for a more rustic looking cookie. Now I'm going to place all my little pink dough balls onto a lined baking sheet. And then either using your little finger or the back of a spoon, press a little heart-shaped depression into the center of each dough ball. And now you get to choose the filling for each cookie. For my cookies today, I'm going to fill half of mine with jam and the other half with melted chocolate. You can melt your chocolate either in a double boiler or in short bursts in the microwave until it's melted. Then you can either gently spoon a little heart shape into the center of each cookie, or you can transfer the mixture to a piping bag with a little hole cut at the tip. Once my cookies are filled, I'm going to place them in the freezer for about 15 minutes to make sure they hold their shape while they're baking. And then my cookies are ready to bake in my preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius oven for 15 minutes. Allow them to set and cool about 5 minutes on the tray before removing them to a wire rack to cool completely. These sweet pink heart cookies will bring a touch of whimsy and charm to any Valentine's Day dessert tray, or the perfect surprise to pack in little school lunches. And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.